So anyway, our Dyson, look at that thing, it's coming off. As you can see, is not charging good. Pull it off of here. Let's see if it's working. Oh, it is, but it looks like she busted that. So she wants me to change the battery on it. So I'm going to show you how to do that. It's pretty simple. There's a screw there. And that's basically it. Whoops. Hang on. I think I'm going to have to empty it because it's full of shizzle. That thing is itsy bitsy. So I got to get in there with a small screwdriver. And righty tighty, lefty loosey, right? So I'm just going to unscrew that screw. See if I can get to it. There we go. Come on. Bam. Don't lose that. I'm going to put this, I don't want to put it here because I may lose it. I set it over here. I don't want to lose that thing. Right, that's pretty much it, really. And now, this should just come right off of here. This right here looks like it's broken, so we got to get rid of that one because it's coming off. So we'll put that over there. And then I might have to take it all apart. I may have to get this off of here and pop this bad boy off. And I may have to take this off. Here. There. Now, I should be able to get the battery out of there. Oh, shit. Battery's still good. One that's in there. Oh. Yeah. 2 screws. 2 screws right here. I do believe I have to get these bottom screws out. Again, don't lose them. Magnetized. I think I can just yank it, huh? So now it should just come out. Oh yeah, there we go. Wait, I'm gonna save this because, or I may just, you know, I'm gonna do something with that. I don't even think I needed to take all that stuff off. All right, so I've got this box here. This came in the mail. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, it's got a filter. And it's got a back filter. And it's got a cleaning tool. And it's got the battery. Pull her out of here. Take that off of there. And as you can see, this one looks pretty much similar to this one. A little bit of difference, right? A little bit of difference. But let's go ahead and we'll slap this one in, right? And it's going to go in the same way. Yep, like that. We're just going to put it in just like this, see? This side going this way. And snap it. Then we're going to go down here. We're going to put these in first. Put the bottom ones in first. Get the one started. Second one. All right, bam, done. Now we just got to put the one in front. I'm going to grab it. And this sucker goes right in there. Just like that. Then you got to get the screwdriver on it. And twist her in. So this is more involved than changing the battery on a, you know. Okay, that's in there. It's got a charge on it. That's cool. All right, so the other thing that we've got to do now is we're going to put this on. This new filter. Might as well get rid of the old filter since we got a new one, right? Pull that off of there. And this baby's going to go right on the back here. There's some channels here. And there's channels on that. And you just got to kind of cock it sideways and then twist it. Bam, done. Just so you see, like this. Put it on. Cock it sideways, right? Then twist it. Bam, that one's done. Now we got to put this back on. So this is pretty simple. Just got to slide up in there. Just got to kind of get it in there like that and just push it forward. Then it locks on the bottom. Well, apparently it does. It's supposed to. There we go. Then you can, well, this won't shut until I put this part on. This part here is a little bit more difficult. You got to slide it down these little rungs here. See them? Right there. Got to slide it down there. And just got to get it on there. Then it goes in. Bam. Bam. Bob's your uncle. Now, there's a filter here. This one looks pretty clean. Smells. Let's put a new one in. Cha-ching. Take a look. There's the hole. In it goes. Bob's your uncle. Don't have to put nothing on it. Done. So, get rid of this. And this. We'll throw this away. Put it in here. Alright, so now we've got a new filter here, and new battery. Ready to rock and roll. So let's make sure that we get it charged good, because my girl won't like that if it's not charged well. So I'm going to stick it back in the charger. We're going to stick her back in the charger. Look at that. Bam. That one fits in there tighter too. So this must have been a little bit longer. So we'll let that thing charge up and we'll be ready to rock and roll. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on the Dyson. Peace out.